Hello friends, we're going to do a little walk around of our home built 80 quart Hobart kettle popper, kettle corn popper. As you can see here, we've gone with an A-frame design. Kind of bring you around, see how the front looks. This is a actual Hobart pot. Been in service doing kettle corn for over four seasons now. Holding up real well. There's the back side. You notice here we've got a dolly welded onto the entire structure, the bottom of the structure. This makes it real easy to transport, real easy for one guy to move around by himself. I can just wheel it wherever I want. That's real handy. We just went to this new design here about a month and a half ago. We had a different design. I'll show a picture of that under the comments. Welder said, let's do an A-frame. I said, go ahead. So anyway, the cool thing is I can remove these little clips here. I can pull the top off. So when not being transported, you can just store the top off to the side there. And as you can see, nice and easy, very less obtrusive, I guess you'd say. Handle, of course we are Cowgirl Kettle Corn, so there's a horseshoe theme on all kinds of things. I do run a pilot light. This is a get-up that I put together for parts off the internet. Smokehouse out of Texas helped me out, got me all set up. Went with this giant cast iron burner down there. Again, four seasons in, thousands of batches popped, and it's holding up strong. All enclosed on the back side, open on the front, so we've got a little stainless steel wind guard there, dual one. Of course, had to cone it out there for the bucket to tilt. And of course, my bucket comes down, dumps into one of these little Cambro hopper things there. That's where we catch the corn. Of course, year one we decided the stirring by hand was crazy. That's an awful lot of work for those of you out there still popping by hand. So we went ahead and bought us the Auto Hawk from a fella named Eric offline. I don't believe he's making these any longer, but it's been the best investment we made. Basically, mine came with this little kit, so it's got a wing nut. Up underneath you can see there's a dial, a little round cylinder that holds the threaded bolt in, and then a nut on top. Allows me quick, easy access to put this thing on or off. Also, just set it on there, and viola fits real nice. Secure it down, everything works great. Put the wing nuts back on. I've seen some other ones where the tops are kind of square. That's a lot of overkill, a lot of what I hear drippage on everything else. This is pretty slick. Again, it's that floor plate. I run that little Prop Freights motor in there. It's a 50 amp spinner. It can do 12 volt or 110. I actually put mine on a NEMA, 30 amp NEMA circuit. As you can see there, one is angled, one is not. Then on the other side, of course, you have that connector, which those two go together, which comes up and leads into my little box here, which allows me to do 110 or 12 volt. Again, with that, you've got the little power supply there. It's like for a laptop or computer type of thing. And again, this NEMA twist lock here also keeps anyone else from plugging it into straight 110 and blowing the thing up. So that's kind of a handy feature. Again, this is our homemade 80 quart popper. 4 years in service. It's held up great. There's the dump bin. We basically dump into there. And then again, four seasons ago, we also made this little homemade sifting table. We use the 1/2 inch perforated stainless steel. I like it much better than the smaller holes. It just makes for a much prettier batch. Legs do remove off of this table for easy transport. Down here it's just got a big dump bin that slides in and out to catch the corn. And that's pretty much it for our home built 80 quart popper. Thanks, have a great day.